I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 103 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. Him and Jacinta answers the questions, we read the questions, and we take the weird, the funny, the cool, the oddballs, and stuff we never knew. And we put it on here, in case you didn't know it. So in today's episode, we're talking about Clamato juice. I think it's just called Clamato. Foldable utility carts, wine bottle openers, Valentine's Day cruise, and no sugar added desserts. What's in them? All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know if they have Clamato juice on board any of the bars on the Panorama specifically. John said he believes that they do. He knows they use this for one of those specialty Bloody Mary cocktail thingies. That's what he said. So that Clamato, I thought, was tomato juice and beer. And I know I've seen those on the boat, but I mean, maybe they use one for one of the Bloody Marys. Never been on the Panorama, so I couldn't tell you. But John said, yes, they do have it. So, yeah, if you like it, they got it. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know if they're able to bring a small foldable utility cart onto the ship. It says boat, buy no better. It's ship. Or did I got backwards? Anyway. John said you can carry it onto the ship and you can carry it off the ship, but it cannot be used anywhere on board. They need to do this because the wheels can possibly damage the decking on the boats, but you can absolutely use them in port, but they can't be pulled up to the gangway on the ship. So if you're getting back from an excursion, you got your cute little cart loaded with crap, unload the crap, carry the crap, fold ye old foldable cart back up, and then you can walk onto the ship. So if you like using the foldable carts, then yeah, you can bring them, just can't use them on the ship. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you like cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. All right, on to question three. This cruiser wanted to clarify that it's okay to bring a wine bottle opener with them on board the ship to open wine. It'll save you $15 from the wine uncorking fee in the dining room. That's just me. John said yes, but please put it in your carry-on bag. He also gave them a kind reminder that if you take the wine bottle even to open it yourself in the dining room, there will still be a corkage charge. So yes, most restaurants, cruise lines, so a lot of places, if you bring your own bottle and you have them open it, they will pop you $15 on Carnival specifically for them to open it and pour it. So yeah, if you don't want to pay the $15, just drink it in your room. Buy a bottle at the MDR. It's just me. All right, question four. This cruiser was going on a cruise during Valentine's Day, and they wanted to know what Carnival did for this occasion. So other holidays, they decorate the ship, this, that, and the other. John said there will be a large renewal service for everyone to attend, and it's done in the most special way. There's also a special dessert and some other wonderful things to look forward to. So I don't know if we've ever been on a cruise during Valentine's Day. I don't know. Anyway. But there's a whole bunch of cool stuff that goes on on the ships during Valentine's Day. So book that cruise. Enjoy your loved one. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know what the no sugar added desserts were sweetened with. Do they use Splenda, Maltitol, or one of the other 15 to 20 billion different types of fake sugars out there? Or are they naturally sweetened with honey or applesauce? Applesauce? Use applesauce as sweetener? I missed that memo. Let me check my memos. Oh, there it is. John said they use Splenda across the fleet. And they hope they enjoyed these fabulous foods. So I've definitely gotten a couple desserts on the boat, and I don't like the fake sugars. I don't eat much in the way of sweets, but they leave a weird aftertaste. So I guarantee I've had something with, yeah, and never checked the tag that said sugar-free. My fault. But anyway, on Carnival, they use Splenda for all their non-sugary treats. Now you know. That's been episode 103 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Please take care.